Welcome to another Make Money Online video. Today we will be comparing and contrasting two popular trading platforms, Bitsgap and MetaTrader. If you're new to trading and looking for a platform that is easy to use and effective, then this video is for you. We'll discuss the features and benefits of both platforms. We will highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each. Then we will explain why Bitsgap is the better choice for beginners, focusing on its user-friendly interface, powerful automation tools, and built-in trading strategies. Whether you're new to trading or looking to switch to a more effective platform, this video will provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of trading platforms. Let's look at what Bitsgap offers. Bitsgap offers several features that make it an effective trading platform for beginners and advanced traders alike. One of its main features is the trading bots, which can execute trades automatically based on predefined strategies. Here's how the trading bots and their options work. Bot creation. To create a bot in Bitsgap, you start by selecting the exchange and trading pair you want to trade. You can then choose from several predefined strategies, including market making, trend following, and scalping. Alternatively, you can create your own custom strategy using the platform's strategy editor. Signal options. After selecting a strategy, you can choose from a range of signal options to trigger trades, including price movements, technical indicators, and news events. For example, you can set a bot to buy when the price of a cryptocurrency reaches a certain level, or to sell when a specific technical indicator crosses a certain threshold. Risk management. To manage the risk associated with automated trading, Bitsgap offers several options. You can set a stop loss and take profit for each bot, as well as a maximum drawdown limit. You can also set a minimum and maximum order size to control the size of each trade. Backtesting. Before deploying a bot in the live market, you can backtest it using historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This allows you to refine your strategy and optimize it for the current market conditions. Overall, the trading bots in Bitsgap provide a powerful tool for automating trades in the cryptocurrency market. By choosing from predefined strategies or creating your own custom strategy, setting risk management options, and backtesting your bots, you can maximize your profits and minimize your risk. Overall, the trading bots in Bitsgap provide a powerful tool for automating trades in the cryptocurrency market. By choosing from predefined strategies or creating your own custom strategy, setting risk management options, and backtesting your bots, you can maximize your profits and minimize your risk. Thank you for watching this video on the features and benefits of Bitsgap and how it can be a great trading platform for beginners. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you're interested in learning more about trading with Bitsgap, we encourage you to sign up for our upcoming trading course, which will cover everything you need to know to start trading like a pro. The course will be packed with useful information, tips, and strategies that can help you maximize your profits and minimize your risk in the cryptocurrency markets. Whether you're new to trading or you're looking to improve your skills, our course will provide you with the knowledge and confidence you need to succeed. So be sure to click the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Thanks again for watching, and we wish you all the best in your trading journey.